What is up, you guys? It's your girl Calethi and back on our video. Today I'm going to be doing a Amazon unboxing video. After this video I'm going to post a explanation of why I've been gone for so long. But the packages just came today, and I will put the picture on the screen of what it looks like and the cost of it, so you guys will know. But we're gonna go ahead and open them. So I only have 3 things. Hold on, I want to get a thumbnail. Okay. Why is my... Okay. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to open is this. I think I have an idea of what's in here. I think these are the tips. So, if you guys don't know, I actually want to start doing nails. I've already learned how to do acrylic a little bit. Sister texted me. And these are the acrylics I did. But I'm going to get into all that. I'm going to get into why I haven't posted and stuff in the next video. But this is just going to be the unboxing. I'm getting notifications, so if I look up at my phone, or I put my finger over like that to do that, because I'm taking down the notification. So I think these are the tips, and I'm going to insert the picture. Yeah, these are the tips. Oh my god. So this is what they look like. I'll put the picture right here. So I got these because I want to, so I already know how to do acrylic, but acrylic is harder for me and harder to take off. So I think I'm going to do gel on these. I'm going to learn how to do gel on these. So, yeah. I'm taking off the plastic. So I heard that these are good tips by a YouTuber I like to watch. Her name is Long Hair Pretty Nails. This is what they look like. Oh yeah, I like these. It's cute. So yeah, the picture will be up there. So the next thing is this box, and I don't know what this is. I think it's probably, I'm just going based off the box. It might be the kit. So I did get a kit. I'm sorry I keep bending down. I need to get the scissors and stuff. I got a polygel kit because that's something I really wanted to learn how to do. And I didn't get one of like the good brand ones, like the high price brand ones. I got one of the ones that comes like with even extra stuff that you don't even need. Hold on, let me get back in the lighting. Oh my god. Oh no, this is not it. This is not the kit. This is actually the gel polish I got from a cart. So I ordered this gel polish from a cart because I wanted to also use gel, because I've never used gel before. So this is the Soak Off Gel Nail Polish Kit. I don't know what it means by kit because it doesn't come with a lamp. But yeah, that's that. Let me open it for you guys. Okay guys, so the sun is starting to go down, but you can still see me. So I opened it, but I haven't seen it yet. Ooh. Hope you guys like the natural lighting. Ooh, these are pretty. So it comes with 8 polishes. Ooh, oh my god. 8 polishes, and it comes with a base coat and a top coat. So that means you get 6 regular gel polishes, and then you get the base and the top. So that is pretty nice. That is so pretty. I haven't seen the colors. Oh, I haven't seen the colors yet. Maybe I don't have swatch sticks, but I'll figure something out to show you guys what the colors actually look like, because I also want to see. But yeah, that's that, and I'll put the picture right there. So next item, this must and has to be the hopefully I didn't cut nothing. The kit. The picture caught my eye, so that is exactly why I chose the one I chose. Plus, I don't have a lamp and stuff. Not lamp. Well, a UV lamp for gel. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Like, my phone is on. Why is it going black? So yeah, I got this one because it comes with not only the poly gels, but extra stuff. Ooh. It's in this big old box. So I don't want to stand up and open this because I know it's a lot of pieces. So we're gonna, you know, flip the way we are to a better view of this box so we can go and see what's inside. Okay guys, so I watched, ooh, ouch. I watched the clip of where I keep tapping the screen because my phone, it goes black. And you guys actually can't see that my phone went black, but I can. Oh, don't mind my nails. Let's see. Oh, okay. I didn't know it actually came in like a box like this. I didn't even see the box. Sorry for these marks. I don't know where they came from. But yeah, I didn't know it actually came in a box. So it says Polygel Kit Nail Care. Just bring your nail salon home. Oop, that's exactly how you open. Ooh, oh my god, it looks so much better than I thought it did. On the picture, and you guys will see it, it didn't look like it included like some stuff that I'm seeing right now. So I'm gonna show you guys what's under it, and I'm gonna show you what's on the top. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the colors. So this one is nude, rose pink, natural pink, clear nude, dude pink, clear slip solution. So the bottle looks little. On the picture it looked bigger. I don't know. I have to go back and look at it, but yeah. And you can also use rubbing alcohol. Soft pink. And I'm guessing this is the white. Yeah, this is the white. Okay, right here are the dual forms. Hopefully these are clear because they look a little white. So yeah, these are the clear tips. Hold on, I'll open them for you. So this is what they look like. And they look like they curve. Yeah, they curve a lot. But it's okay. It's a little container like the other nails. These ones. Oh, and by the way, they're stiletto. These ones are stiletto. Forgot to tell you guys. Alright, next down here, you get the brush. See, I watched so many YouTube videos, I already know what half of this stuff looks like. Not what I got, but like on YouTube, I already know what it, what the regular brushes and stuff look like, depending on if the kits look different. But the brushes usually looks the same. So this is the brush side, and the other side is the spatula. And the picture doesn't even look like it came with this little container thing. Well, I guess it's not going to show you exactly what it looks like in the box. It's just going to show you what you're supposed to be getting. So this is a file. And I'm going to see if it has all the nail brush and stuff it's supposed to. Yep. So it has the steps. Oops. Something sticking on the bottom. Has the steps. Okay, so let's get into this bottom half. So you get whoa, I know you guys see that.